The deep sea. Vast, dark, and mostly unknown. It covers more than 70% of our planet, yet we've only explored a tiny fraction, less than 5%. That means over 95% of the ocean remains a mystery. It's a world more alien than outer space, hiding in plain sight beneath the waves. But what actually lies beneath? To understand the ocean's deepest secrets, we need to go where sunlight never reaches. As we descend beyond 200 meters, the ocean turns pitch black. Temperatures drop close to freezing. The pressure becomes immense, so intense it would crush a human body instantly. And yet, life finds a way. This realm, known as the deep sea, begins where light ends. It stretches down to the deepest trenches, like the Mariana Trench, which plunges nearly 11 kilometers deeper than Mount Everest is tall. In these depths, we find life forms so strange, so otherworldly, they defy our imagination. Meet the anglerfish, a creature with razor-sharp teeth and a glowing lure that dangles from its head to attract prey in the darkness. Or the gulper eel, whose mouth can expand wide enough to swallow creatures larger than itself. Down here, almost everything glows, thanks to bioluminescence, a natural light created by chemical reactions inside living organisms. Bioluminescence is more common than you might think. In fact, nearly 90% of all deep-sea creatures can produce light. They use it to hunt, to hide, to mate, or simply to confuse predators. It's nature's version of neon signs, silent messages in a world of darkness. But it's not just strange creatures that inhabit the deep. The ocean floor is a graveyard of history. Thousands of shipwrecks lie scattered across the seabed, from ancient vessels lost in storms to modern tragedies like the Titanic, which sits over 12,000 feet below the surface. Some wrecks carry literal treasure, gold, jewels, and artifacts from lost empires. Others carry scientific gold, preserved tools, maps, and evidence of long-forgotten trade routes. And sometimes, we discover things we didn't even know we were looking for. In the Clarion-Clipperton zone of the Pacific Ocean, recent expeditions have uncovered over 5,000 new species, many of them never seen before by human eyes. Transparent sea cucumbers, armored shrimp, and spaghetti-like worms are just a few of the oddities found crawling the ocean floor. Some of these creatures are so bizarre, they seem more fitting for science fiction than science. So how are we exploring these hidden depths? Thanks to advanced remotely operated vehicles, ROVs, and manned submersibles, we're now able to explore parts of the ocean that were once unreachable. These robotic explorers are equipped with high-definition cameras, mechanical arms, and sensors that can withstand the crushing pressure. Every mission brings new surprises, some beautiful, others terrifying. And yet, for all we've discovered, there's still so much we don't know. Are there massive creatures hiding in the darkness, never before seen by humans? Could entire underwater ecosystems exist in isolated trenches, cut off from the rest of the planet? Is it possible that the remains of unknown civilizations lie buried beneath silt and stone? Some believe the legends of Atlantis were inspired by real underwater structures lost to rising seas thousands of years ago. Even now, sonar scans sometimes pick up strange shapes, too large to be natural, too defined to be ignored. But without physical evidence, they remain theories, stories, and fuel for our imagination. Despite how much technology has advanced, we still know more about the surface of Mars than we do about the ocean floor. That's both humbling and thrilling. Because every dive into the deep sea is like stepping into the unknown, where anything could be waiting. The ocean isn't just a body of water. It's a living archive of Earth's history. It's home to alien-like creatures, sunken relics, and entire ecosystems untouched by sunlight. And every day, explorers, scientists, and dreamers are pushing the boundaries to see what lies beneath. As we continue to venture deeper, we realize that the ocean isn't just Earth's last unexplored frontier, it's a reflection of how little we truly know about our own planet. And perhaps, that's what makes it so endlessly fascinating. So the next time you stand by the shore, remember, just beyond the horizon, and far beneath the waves, an entire world is waiting to be discovered.